What's up, guys? Today we'll be looking at market breakdown. You know what time it is. So, looking at gold from the weekly time frame, you could see that last week gold didn't really move much after we had a huge engulfing candle from the weekly time frame, and we just did a little retracement. So, for me, looking at gold, it's a bit confusing of where gold is gonna go next, but we're gonna do the breakdown together and try to understand or figure out where the market is gonna go next week. So from the weekly time frame, I'm gonna try to mark out support and resistance basically. So I might actually call this zone here a resistance, but also I'm gonna pinpoint this week here because I don't want to neglect this week. So I'm gonna mark it out. Then on the weekly time frame, going down to this side, I can see the market has reacted around this area of 229252. So I'm gonna mark it out. I'm not gonna neglect it. I'm gonna mark it out, pinpoint, boom. Then going down to the daily time frame, you can see on the daily time frame that our zone of resistance was making sense, which the market dropped, and then we did a retracement move and it dropped back down. So basically, for me, on this new week on gold, from what I can see on this analysis, I'm expecting gold to do a little bit of a pullback, then drop to this zone. Why did I say so? Is because last week gold respected this zone, this area here. Gold respected this area, this little area here. Gold respected it. You can see after this huge momentum, gold tried to respect this level and try to push back up. But now, from what I can see on this zone, is two things. Maybe uh, the market still bounce back up from this level and continue going back. But you all know it's a new month. We need to allow the market to move a little bit. Maybe don't trade on Monday, then come and check out what the market has did on Tuesday before you can trade. But if you can see gold breaking below this level, that means the next level is coming to is basically this level. So you have opportunity to make at least this is about 300 pips. 300 pips. Now, when we go to the 4 hour time frame, to be sure, 4 hour time frame we need to be sure, and the 4 hour time frame we can see the market structure here. So we see the way the market moved, came back to respect this level again on this level. So until we see the market break below, you could say, okay, you want to draw this like this, that the market has broken below. You can see what happened there. After breaking below, we went back in. So we need to see it move away from this level, maybe come to somewhere like this, then bounce back up to go and retest this zone. Then you can short this trade, which means it has done an impulsive move already. You need to wait for the retracement back into this level, then get candlestick confirmation, then you could sell. Or or you could wait for the market to move away from this level and start to form a trend, which is uptrend, which is simply impulsive move retracement. Then you can look out to buy. Okay, but since gold traded around this zone throughout last week, that means it's gonna break it. So on the 1 hour time frame, it's looking like it's been broken already, but we don't want to start selling here immediately because this is gold. It could shoot back up. It could shoot back up. So we want to wait for the market to come back to this level, come down to this level, then form a retracement back to this zone. Then we could go short. So if you see this market retracing back to this level, just risk it. Take the trade. I'm telling you guys, risk it. It's worth it. It's a very good trade. Risk it. Have your stops below, then risk it. Allow the trade to play out. But you know it's a new month. The market will still play around before moving to any direction it wants to go. So basically, last week was really messy for me because the gold was playing around a lot. But we could see on Friday it did a very huge spike, only for gold to respect this level and boom, drop back down again. So you want to be careful if you're trading only gold. You want to be very, very careful, very, very careful. And for me now, I don't use lower time frames anymore because it's very crazy. Even though I could get some sniper entry on lower time frame, but now I try to be like very, very calm. Just like this trade on Friday, I saw this trade, but I didn't want to take it. This is a pin bar for me to take this trade from this level and have my stops above just 53 pips, and my take profit will be this level. This would have been a great trade for me, but I didn't take it because it's already Friday and it was about around 2 3, so I didn't want to take the trade. But for me now, I don't really use lower time frame anymore. Okay, because I feel like the bigger time frame is more. It has more to offer. If you could catch the market on the bigger time frame and with the trend, you're good to go. You're good to go. So for the breakdown, I'm looking for gold to come below this level, trade below this level, then I'll go short. And the short I'm gonna go, I'm expecting gold to break this level. So I might take some profit when it gets to this level, but overall, I'm expecting if gold can break this level, man, we're expecting gold to crash back down. We're expecting it to go back down. If it could break this level, one, break this one, then we're going back down. We're going back down crazy. So, but because it's new month, we might still see some pullbacks again. It's good. Anything could happen. So you wanna be careful if you trade gold and be patient. Patient. Very, very patient. So that's what I have for you guys on today's breakdown. If you have any questions, you can always comment down on the video or DM me on Telegram or on WhatsApp. I can give you some response, and also my VIP signal is on. Mentorship is on too. So if you want to learn how to trade code, you know what to do. Just send me a DM and we'll go through that. But that will be all. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.